Sloppy Joe. Who invented it? I don't know. When was it invented? I don't care. Is it really Cuban recipe? Not my business. What I do know is that this is a good recipe, and I will show you how it's done. Start by getting your chopping board. And chop some green bell peppers into cubes. Removing the seeds and the white part of the bell pepper. This is the type of cut you should have. Then you will chop some yellow onions. Same as the green peppers, you will chop them into cubes. Try to have the same quantities of onions to green bell peppers, equal amounts. This is what you should have for the onions. Now you need to get your skillet ready and get your ground beef. Here I'm using the 80-20 ratio beef, 80% meat and 20% fat. Now we can head to the stove. On a hot skillet, without adding any oil, fry the ground beef. Add in some salt. Cook the ground beef until most of the fat has rendered and most of the meat has browned and no red parts remain. Then, and only then, you can add in your onions and green bell peppers together. Cook the green bell pepper and the onions for about 5 to 10 minutes before adding anything else. Then we're gonna start by adding some brown sugar, about 2 tablespoons. Then we're gonna add some ketchup, about 1 cup, which is about 240 grams. Mustard, yellow American mustard, about 1 tablespoon. Three tablespoons of garlic powder. 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, A mixture of black and white pepper, about 3 tablespoons, meaning 1.5 tablespoon of black pepper, 1.5 tablespoon of white pepper mixed together to make 3 tablespoons. Add them in. Let that cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. And now it's ready to be taken off the heat. This is the end result. For serving suggestion, and I feel strongly about this, the best option to serve the sloppy joe is with some brioche bun. If you have any questions or comment, please feel free to leave them below. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to the channel, hitting the like button and sharing the videos with your friends.